If root 3 tan theta is equal to 3 sin theta, find the value of sin theta. Given root 3 tan theta is equal to 3 sin theta. Root 3 into sin theta by cos theta is equal to 3 sin theta. Here tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Root 3 into sin theta is equal to, here 3 is equal to root 3 into root 3 into sin theta into cos theta. Here root 3 sin theta, root 3 sin theta cancel. 1 is equal to root 3 cos theta. Cos theta is equal to 1 by root 3. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin theta is equal to root of 1 minus cos square theta. Sin theta is equal to root of 1 minus 1 by root 3 whole square is equal to root of 1 minus 1 by 3 is equal to root of 3 into 1, 3 minus 1, 2 divided by 3. So therefore, sin theta is equal to root 2 by 3.